Hello everyone, welcome to mypromind.com. ProMind is an AI-powered adaptive learning tool. It adapts to your unique learning pace. It learns from your unique learning pace and helps you memorize information 3x faster with personalized study sessions. To begin, you can directly sign in to the ProMind. Once you sign in with the Google account, you will have an option to go to the dashboard. The dashboard will give you all the analytics, a quick overview of your progress so far. For example, the number of cards that you studied, what is your retention rate, how many days you studied, and how many cards you have, the new cards you have, how many cards you're learning, and how many cards are in the review. It will also show the recent decks that you were learning before. On the left side, you have a sidebar menu where you have the dashboard. You have all your decks listed, which you have in your account. You have a progress session where you can see more deeper analytics about how many cards you studied, the number of days you've been studying, retention rate and total cards, study habits, retention analysis, and deck by deck level performance on individual decks. Now, let me walk you through the MindX page. When you land on the MindX page, you will see the decks that you have added in your account. Before I show you the learning session, I would like to show you the option to create the decks. You can click on create new deck, enter the title of the deck, some description if you like, and click create. So your deck will be created. Then you need to click on this manage icon to add individual cards in this particular deck. So this is where you will add new cards to your deck. If you're a power user, you can click on this keyboard shortcut icons to know the keyboard shortcuts which are supported for you to quickly add bulk amount of cards just using the keyboard. For a quick demo, I'm going to add a single card. I'm clicking CMD1. This brings the front session. This is front side of card. Then I'm pressing CMD2. This is the back side of the card. Then you can either click save and add another, which will keep you on the same screen, or you can save and close. You can also use the shortcut CMD plus S to do save and add another. This way you can quickly add bulk amount of cards on your existing deck. Now let me take you to the decks page where we have this huge deck with 133 cards. I wanted to show you how you can use the deck browser to navigate through a bulk amount of cards. If you're a power user, you can click on this info icon. It will list all the keyboard shortcuts which are supported in the deck browser. You can use these keyboard shortcuts to navigate through the deck browser. For example, CMDF will bring you to the search side. You can quickly search for it and it will filter out all the related cards. You can use the up and down arrow keys to quickly navigate between the flashcards. You can use command 1 to select the front side of the selected card, modify it. You can press command 2 to go to the back side of the card. And of course, you can also press command save to save the edits. If you want to delete some cards, there is an option for bulk deleting all the cards or an individual card. You can also use the splitter in between to change the space between the left and the right side. For advanced user, you can also modify the limits at the deck level. These configurations are actually used in the learning algorithm where it fine-tunes to a certain configuration that is defined here. For beginners, we recommend that you do not modify these settings. Now, let me quickly demo the learning session. Once you are on the MindX page, you will see that you are seeing a certain number of new cards which you're supposed to learn. Now, if I start a deck, I come to this learning session where ProMind will automatically, based on your previous learning history, it will prompt you with a certain card. You can use your keyboard space or you can click on button to reveal the back side of the card. Once I click on the button, based on my assessment, I will either click again to show me this card immediately, or the kind of difficulty that I'm finding in my recall, I can press hard, good, or easy. Let's call this easy. Once I've clicked on a card as an easy, it automatically graduates to a bucket for review. ProMind will automatically keep track of the cards which are due for review, which are currently being learned, and also the new cards that you're supposed to learn. To quickly talk about the features on this page, you have the edit option where you can edit the existing card. You can modify the front and the back content of the card. You can also edit the limits. This is the configuration for the learning algorithm. For beginners, we recommend that you do not modify these. Then you have the deck browser where you can quickly go and navigate through the different cards in this particular deck. You have option to add the cards, and then you have ask doubts. This is backed by AI, so once you click on this, you will see this drawer open. This AI has all the context of the current card and your learning pace. So I can ask him to solve my doubts or to simplify or explain things in a more simpler way. We also have this save as flashcard button with every reply that you get. If you click over it, ProMind will automatically create a flashcard and save it in the current deck. The next thing that I wanted to show you is about the marketplace. If you're starting fresh with ProMind, you have an option of picking a copy of expert created content, expert created flashcards for your learning sessions. You can use the browse marketplace button, or you can use the find flashcard option here, and you can navigate through this knowledge graph of things that we have here to find the flashcards which are relevant to your domain. Once you are on the page for a marketplace deck, you can just click on add to my decks and it will automatically copy that flashcard to your decks. Now you can go ahead and modify the content or delete the content as you would like. You can personalize the data as much as you want. Once you're ready, you can go back and start the learning session. That is all for this quick demo. I hope to see you on the ProMind soon. Thank you.